today I will tell you about the moon's formation. You see, the Earth had a twin, another planet called Theia, and it was on an intersecting orbit with Earth. In space, when two things are in intersecting orbits with enough time, it's inevitable that those two things will collide. Both planets became molten on impact, and we had debris flown out into space. When this cloud of debris eventually cools, it condenses into a new cosmic partnership. Planet Earth with a uniquely large moon. Our moon was ripped right out of us. Because of that, it's big and close and has a lot of pull. Pulls the sea in, pulls the sea out, tides. Simple, right? We shouldn't underestimate how influential the moon is in all of our lives. Those regular tides also make another kind of rhythm. What you might assume will be this all along. The collision that ended up forming the moon sent the Earth just spinning. A day back then was just 5 hours long. It was the drag of the time that eventually slowed the Earth down to make a day become 24 hours like we know now. The 24-hour day. Waking up, having breakfast, working 8 hours, making dinner. Day in, day out. These cycles, they're embedded in our DNA. The violent whack they made us our pull, our tides, and our 24-hour day. They made us one more thing too. Summer in Philadelphia. So let's just pretend. This is our sun, and this is our Earth, and our Earth is tilted. Due to that collision, tilted 24.5 degrees. For 6 months of the year, the northern hemisphere is favoring the sun. And for 6 months of the year, the southern hemisphere is favoring the sun. The ship in the sun's energy from north to south is constantly trying to move the hot areas to the cold areas, and the cold areas to the south areas, to the cold areas to the hot areas. This tilted the Earth results in our seasons. The seasons constantly changes shape and contour the land underneath. The world is constantly adjusting itself. From the vantage point of space, you can see the ever-changing planet through the seasons, from snow-capped mountains to desert plains. I've really never seen it before because I'm seeing all the seasons at once. So I'm seeing the winter in the northern hemisphere and the summer in the southern hemisphere. If we had no tilt, nearly half the planet will be frozen all year long. The cold will be found in Florida near the equator, but growing up in Philly, there will be a glacier in my backyard. $4.5 billion years ago, We started with a smash that created a tilt that made our seasons and gave us the rhythms of existence. Bye bye, friends. See you next time.